So being a DBA who is managing and monitoring and performance training activities on data. So what is data? So data are the unit of information, often numerical, that are collected through the observation, or we can say that meaningful data about any organization, any company, any industries. Okay. In more technical sense, data are the set of quantities, qualities, value of qualitative and quantitative variables about one or more person and objects, while dat- uh, datum in a single value of single variable. Okay, so that is a data. Okay, quantities, information, graph, measurement, observation, facts, numbers, these are known as data. Okay, so data is a simple, we can say that is information about any person, any objects basically.